Hey everybody, this is Johnny Vasquez, founder of New Stitch a Day and head honcho at Knitiversity. Now, I have some awesome news. We are launching a magazine this spring called Yarnist Magazine, and to celebrate the kickoff of our crowdfunding campaign, we are doing a massive giveaway. I mean, absolutely huge. During the entire crowdfunding campaign, every single day we're going to be giving away free stuff. We've got, yarn, we've got more yarn, we've got stitch markers, I've got knitting needles, I've got pom makers, we've got lots of cool stuff, knitting bags, like cool project bags like these block print bags that we've got here. We'll be giving away some books, all kinds of stuff. But the biggest thing that we're going to be giving away, our grand prize, is a year of yarn. We're going to be giving away 52 balls of yarn. Plus, we are going to be giving away a Leica full interchangeable knitting needle set that comes with, I don't even know how many needles are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 needles, 12 needle tips, 5 cord lengths, and 2 connectors. And it comes in this really great, carrying case to be putting it in your project bag. We are also going to be adding to that grand prize a platinum lifetime membership to Knitiversity Plus, which is going to give you access to all of our digital products for life, including all of the new products, and you're going to get a digital subscription for life to Yarnist magazine. But let's just take a quick look inside of this box, okay? So this is our year of yarn box, 52 skeins of yarn, and this is not cheap yarn, folks. We've got some wool ease, thick and quick. There's enough in here to make a blanket. Let's see, we've got, I'm not even sure I know what's in here. We've got some really big yarn. This is from Jakt in Finland. Kind of like a rare imported yarn. You get a whole bag of Simply Kriya from by HiKoo. This yarn is super soft, 100% baby alpaca. We've got some hand-dyed yarn here from Oink. Let's see, we've got, what is this? Acadia yarn from the Fiber Company. One of the nicest, softest yarns I've worked with. This is baby alpaca and merino wool. Let's see, what else have we got in here? Some sugar and cream. I'm not even sure what this stuff is. What is it? Acrylic wool and mohair. Looks like an imported yarn. This is probably my favorite yarn in the whole world, aside from our yarn. This is shepherd's wool, 100% top merino fiber. I love this stuff. It's my favorite thing for hats and sweaters. If you're going all wool, you get a few skeins of that. We got a gradient skein of Zephyr in here. This is like one of a kind. We don't have any of those left. What else have we got down in here? Kobai DK Kobasi. This is cotton bamboo silk. This stuff is really cool. I really enjoy working with this yarn. And this is a great summer weight yarn, DK weight. But there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, guys. But here's the kicker. You get a few skeins of this super luxurious Milky Way from Anzula. They have absolutely gorgeous yarn colors. This is 80% milk protein and 20% superwash merino. This is a sock or lace weight yarn here. Let's see. Yeah, but there's a ton of this here. You get 2 skeins of that, and there's even more stuff down in there that I can't even get to right now. What I'm letting you guys know is there is easily $500 worth of yarn in there, and my guess is it's closer to like $600 or $700 worth of yarn, and that can be yours. All you have to do to enter is go to knitiversity.com/win, enter your email address, prove that you're not a robot, and just confirm your entry. But it gets even better. For every person that you get to enter this giveaway using your referral code, you'll get a special link once you enter. You'll get 3 more entries. So it pays to spread the word and encourage other people to join. I know that we've had people in the past, when we've done this before, they've had like 400 entries or more because they've just done a great job of getting the word out. But here's the thing, you're going to have a chance to win something every single day. And we're not giving away dinky little products, we're giving away really great stuff. We are super excited for the launch of our Yarnist magazine crowdfunding campaign, and we can't wait to start getting all of this stuff out to you guys. Every day we're going to be giving away stuff starting on Friday the 24th of January, and it'll go all the way till the campaign ends when we give away the big box of yarn, a year of yarn, 52 skeins, the Leica interchangeable knitting needle set, and the platinum lifetime membership. Well over $1,200 worth of stuff for that grand prize. And we're also going to throw in a few extra things for anybody that shares the campaign, so everybody will win something at least. So remember, go to knitiversity.com/win, and we hope to see you in the campaign, and that you'll support the Yarnist magazine crowdfunding campaign, and hopefully you'll get to win a prize or two. Have a great day and knit fearlessly.